Find the lowest common multiple of two numbers. So we're trying to find the lowest common multiple of 8 and 20. So this is the lowest common multiple. So the lowest number that is common and is a multiple. So what we have to start doing traditionally is we have to look at each number and start writing out their multiples. So if we have the multiples of 8, so 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, and we keep on multiplying. Times 4 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 9 is 72, 8 times 10 is 80, etc. And then we have to take off the multiples of 20. So 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 20 is 40, 3 times 20 is 60, 4 times 20 is 80, 5 times 20 is 120, etc. So we start by writing down the multiples, and then we have a look across and we see, are there any ones that are common to both of them? In other words, they're in both sets. And what we can see, just from this very short example of multiples, is that we seem to have 40, which is common to both of those sets, and we seem to have 80, which is common to both of those sets. So what we have to decide then, which one is the one which is the lowest common multiple, and we can see the one that's the lowest number is 40. So the LCM is 40. Now there is another way of doing this, and this involves the method that we use to find the highest common factor. So first of all, we take out and we find the prime factorisation of 8, 2, which is 2 times 2, and the prime factorisation of 20, which is 2 times 10, and 10 is 2 times 5. So 8 would be 2 times 2 times 2, and 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Then we draw ourselves a Venn diagram, as before, and we have the first set, which is the prime factorizations of 8, and the second set, which is 20. And then we have a look and to see what is in the intersection, what is common to both of them. So with this section here, as we want to fill this in. So if we look at the prime factorizations, we've got 2 in both of them, we've got 2 in both of them. Okay, so therefore, in that middle section, the intersection, we've got 2 and 2, and then see what's left on the outside. So for 8, we've got 2 times 2 times 2, so this is the extra 2, to make that whole set there, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And for the other one, for 20, we've got 2 times 2, we've just got a 5. And so if we just took this whole section here, we would have 5 times 2 times 2, which makes 20. So as we've already noted, this intersection is the highest common factors. In other words, these are the highest numbers that are in both sets of numbers, and so 2 times 2 is 4. However, we can now work out the lowest common multiple, and that's just found by multiplying together all of the numbers in our diagram. So we're going to do 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, because basically any repeated number has only been included once. So with the lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, and we work this out. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40.